name is Nightingale. My lifelong dream will be to craft a vessel I can sail on the vast open sea. I have read many books, written many notes about the wooden tools to use to make my lovely boat. Now's the time to try my hand with canvas sails and mast to my future dreams and not those of the past. My name is Nightingale. My lifelong dream will be to craft a vessel I can sail on the vast open sea. I always had this crazy wish to build a ship so strong and play my flute and swim with a graceful fish and sing all day long. You have a life here, my friends would often say. You can't just leave, you can't just leave and go far away. But my name is Nightingale, and my lifelong dream would be to craft a vessel I can sail on the vast open sea. It took a year for me to build that magical boat, and I must admit that I was in awe to watch it glide and float. I was gone for several years, the best years of my life. The adventures and peace now will never truly cease. By